Hi everybody, I'm back. Everybody, Gina Young is back and we are not doing a video right now. What we are going to do is another chit chat video. So now, last chit chat that I had with you all, I told you all that my husband was going to be putting some type of material onto the steps that lead to the basement so that no one else can slip and fall on those steps. Well, that's going to get done today. So I'm so excited. They came in today. They were ordered and delivered today, and they're really nice looking. So I'm really excited to see, how it's going to be done and what it's going to look like, because we don't want to fall down the steps anymore. And I told you all my puppy fell down the steps. So that's going to be done and finished, and I can't wait to see it. I hope that you all are having an amazing day. Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. I know it's not New Year's right now, but New Year's is around the corner, and I am so excited for a new year because I can just feel it in my soul that this coming year is going to be a much better year for each and every one of us. I really do. I feel like the year is going to be better than the last 2 years that we've all been through. So now, okay, so in my videos, a lot of people have been speaking about my lighting situation. So in the kitchen, you all have been seeing, like, sometimes the lighting has been a little blurry, and we've seen that. And then some days it's really clear, but then there's some days where there's all kinds of shadows in the kitchen. But we're going to figure it out. We're going to figure out how to fix the lighting. So my husband went to, I don't know if he went to Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards. I don't know where he went. But right now he's getting, I don't know if you all know those lights that we have. They're like, what are they called? They're kind of like recessed lighting, and they're right above the island, and it's like lights. It's like these crystal lights that are about this long and this big, and I think there's 4 of them that hang over top of the island. Well, one of them blew out, and he's going to get that replaced, and he's just going to replace the other ones as well. That way we don't have a brand new one and then the old ones hanging up. So he's going to replace those and see if that fixes the situation. But what we think could be going on is, okay, so if we compare this kitchen to my last kitchen at the last house where we was on the golf course, this house is more of a open concept, and there's these huge windows that lets in all type of light, versus the house where we was living on the golf course. It was just that patio window and the small kitchen window, and you didn't get a whole lot of outdoor lighting. So versus this house, and then the cabinets that are behind me in the cooking videos are white, instead of them being brown. So if you have something bright behind you, it's more likely to take on a shadow. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, you wouldn't want to have, if you're recording, you wouldn't want to have light behind you. The light needs to be in front of you, shining towards you. So we're trying to figure out that we know that we have shadows, and we're trying to get everything together. If we can't figure out like what to do to prevent the shadows and some blurriness on different days here and there, we're going to have a professional come out and bring some equipment and show us what we need to do so that we can fix the situation where we're having, the shadows and a little too, sometimes we can put too much light and my face will be blurry, but the ingredients will be bright and beautiful. So we're going to figure that out. We know, because everybody's saying, you got shadows, the video's dark, or the video's nice and your face is blurry. We're going to figure that all out, and that all will happen this new year. So you all will see a change with that. Okay? So I have been having this issue where it's like, it's crazy because it's some days. So let's just say I wake up in the morning and so let's just say I wake up in the morning, have some breakfast, wash my face, brush my teeth, wash up a little bit, and kind of hang out a little while. And then I decide to do my makeup. Once I start doing my makeup, my eye will start watering. My right eye will start watering, and I can't stop it from watering. And so my husband said, do you think you could be getting makeup in your eye? And I said, I don't think so. I don't know. I don't think so. But I've noticed on those days that my eye waters, it won't stop watering. Like, it'll start watering in the morning, and then I can't get it to stop watering until evening time. So I told my doctor about it, and he told me he's going to send me to an eye doctor so that they can look in my eyes and everything and see, like what's going on. Today was one of those days. So I went to put my makeup on. My eyes started watering, and I couldn't, like, literally right before I did this video, I was blotting my eyes, and it feels like there's something stuck in my eye. It's not makeup. I don't see makeup. I don't see anything. I don't know. I just don't know. But we got to figure it out. And of course, we're going to figure it out after we go to the eye doctor. But what I'm noticing is, so some of you might say, are you having this issue on days that you don't put makeup on? I don't know, because there's really not days that I don't put makeup on. So I guess I would have to, try it where I don't put makeup on and see if you have a day where your eye won't stop watering. So we'll get to that. But how do you guys, let me know in the comment section below. How do you all store your Christmas trees? Because we have an artificial tree. I love artificial trees. Like, I do like the real trees, but I really like artificial trees, because you can have it every year until you decide that you want to get rid of it. But we have our Christmas tree. I think it's a 7-foot tree, but we ordered a Christmas tree bag to store our Christmas tree in, because everybody, tell me if you're the same way. You have this Christmas tree and you have the box, the old box that it came in, and your tree no longer fits in the box. So you try to stuff it in the box, and you use like, what type of tape is it? You use this thick tape to try to put, close it up, and it just looks a mess when you store it. So we've purchased this. It's a Christmas tree bag. It's supposed to be real sturdy and durable, and I cannot wait until we take our tree down because I want to see if it works. So I watched all these videos on how much it works. We'll just see. I hope I didn't waste my money on it. And then also we got some boxes to store our Christmas tree ornaments as well, because all of our ornaments were in the same box that they came in, and those boxes are starting to tear. And I don't know about you guys, but I hate to store something and it doesn't look nice and presentable. If I'm going to store something, I want everything nice and neat. I want it to have written on what it is, and I want, I don't like torn boxes with tape all over them and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about my Christmas tree bag. My husband is so silly. He looked at me, he said, "You are just so excited about this Christmas tree bag, aren't you?" And I said, "Yes, I am." I know I gotta get to these videos. I know I gotta get to the videos. Everybody's waiting on New Year's videos, but I'm just kind of relaxing today, guys. I really am. I couldn't get my hair to curl the way I wanted it to. My eye wouldn't stop watering. It's evening time, and I hate doing late videos. When I do videos, I like to do 2 videos. Sometimes I like to do 2 videos a day. And if not, we can do 1, but I like to do them early. I like to get things done and out the way, and then you have the rest of your day. You know what I mean? So it's evening time. We haven't done a video, so I figured that I would come on here and chat with you guys. Now listen here. every single person that watches this video, listen here. Now, I'm going to be doing a major giveaway. So I want for each and every one of you all, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. All right. If you have not clicked on the notification bell, that little bell over there, you want to click it and press all. When you press all, you press that little bell, it's going to assure you that you are going to be one of the first ones that gets the notification as soon as I upload a video. Now, I'm really not sure exactly how I'm going to do the giveaway. Okay? The last giveaway, I explained this in my last little chit chat. The last giveaway that I didn't really tell everybody I was going to do it. What we did was we picked people that we felt like were big supporters of the channel. Like they always messaged me. They always watched every video. We just contacted those people and we sent them some money out for being big supporters. Like I said, I don't know the details on how we're going to do this, but we are going to do this when I reach 1 million subscribers. And we are almost there. Like this is going to happen really quickly, like so quickly you can't even blink. So now, when this happens, I don't know if we're going to do it right before we hit 1 million or, right when we hit it, but I'm going to keep you guys updated. And like I said, make sure you have your notification bell on, make sure you are subscribed, and also make sure that you have messaged me before. Okay? Okay, definitely you gotta pay attention to those things. Now, the giveaway might be something that I've said in this video. I might ask a question and possibly you answer it. It might be me talking about something in yesterday's video or a couple of videos a month ago. So listen here, if you are a new subscriber, don't worry that you couldn't win, because there is a possibility that you could win. If you turn around and you know the answer to something, or, like I said, I'm still trying to figure out how we're going to do this here giveaway, but it's going to be major. I thank you all for watching my channel. I thank everyone that has subscribed to Gina Young's channel, everyone that messaged me, everyone that shares the videos. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Like, you guys are my total family, and I appreciate you all. We moved from Columbus, Ohio, and typically this time of the year, we would normally see snow, especially on Christmas. And I am so beside myself because we didn't see any snow this year. This is so different for me. Like, I didn't get that white Christmas. Normally in Columbus, Ohio, you're gonna have like a white Christmas. It's beautiful snow coming down and all of the Christmas lights are shining through that gorgeous snow, and it's just really a beautiful picture. You can see kids outside sledding. Dakota will be outside sledding and things like that, and I didn't get that this year because I moved from Columbus, Ohio. But let me know in the comment section below, did you guys get snow where you're at? I mean, like, is it cold where you're at? Because it's not cold where I'm at, and I gotta get used to this. It's not cold right now. But this is gonna be different. This is really interesting because I guess I can actually say I am a person that loves the snow. Now, when it comes to driving in the snow, now that's not fun. There's nothing fun or funny about it because it's really scary. And especially when you get like the ice storms. The ice storms happen a whole lot in Columbus, Ohio. Like, you will wake up and your backyard, your front yard, everything, the sidewalk, the front porch will be just a sheet of ice, and you better be careful because you'll slip and fall if you take one step, without having salt down. So let me know in the comment section where you live. Do you get ice storms like they do in Columbus. I don't know if they get that here, and I'm just really curious. So Dakota is still working on trying to figure out how to work his drifter skates. So he's been falling, but he's learning it. And his last final gift came in the mail, and it's called heel wheels. And what it is you wear tennis shoes. So let's just say this is your feet in the tennis shoes, and you take these wheels and you snap them onto, what do I have on me? You snap them onto your shoes, like right here. You hear a snap, like snap, and then you strap it right here. So this is the front of your foot, this is the two wheels, and you can put sparks on the back of it if you want to. But I told him we're not going to use the sparks. You're not old enough for that, you know. So when you're on the sidewalks, you'll have like sparks coming out the back of your wheels. But I told him we're not going to use the sparks. But I put them on. I had to try them. I have to be like the craziest person, but I like to try things to see if I can do it. I put the heels on, or what did I call them? Wheel heels or something, heel wheels, whatever. I put them on, and zoom, I take off. My goodness. So you can stand on them, because right here is your toes. You can stand on your toes. But as soon as you lift your toes up like this, you are rolling. You hear me? I put those bad boys, you know, we got the wood floors. So I'm in my bedroom. Dakota is in there with me. I put them on and I start rolling. And it's kind of like the scariest thing ever. But it was so much fun. And I want Dakota to learn how to do it. I figure he can try to learn how to do it in the house, like maybe in the basement. You know, he's got all that room. Try it in the basement before you go outside, you know, but it seems like a whole lot of fun. But I had to try it. I had to try it because, like, when I was younger, I knew how to skate. You know, when I was a kid and a teenager, I skated very well. But I put those things on. It was really interesting because when you want to stop, you just put the top of your foot down. That's it. And when you want to start rolling, you lift your toes up and you're rolling. It was really fun. So I just wanted to come in to say hi to you, everybody, and just chit chat for a while, tell you guys that our little treads for the steps have been delivered. And also my husband is trying to figure out the lighting situation because everybody's been messaging me about it. But that's all I really have to say today. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. And as always, God bless you all. Thank you all for watching. Good night.